Okay, today we'll be testing out this 4,000 amp JF.EGWO jump starter. And before you start thinking to yourself, oh, another jump starter video, and you're ready to grab that mouse and click away, hold on a minute. In this video, you'll have a chance to win one of these jump starters shipped to your house, no charge. Also, I'm going to use this one right out of the box, no fresh charging, and it's going to power a tire inflator to pump up one of my truck tires. And that's even before I try to start it 3 times without even having a battery hooked up in my truck. Where have you seen that on a video? So let's get started. Use primer right here. I got some of those 5W30. Oh, it's minus 45. Good for storage. That's air floor cleaner. Out of bottom. Air intake. Okay, so this jump starter comes in a box. Looks like this one here. It just goes right over this. And I already opened it up, so I'm not going to put it all back together again just to show you guys, but got a user's guide right here. There you go. That's nice. And the jump starter comes wrapped in this plastic. And you turn it on by clicking this twice. Got a big readout here at 89%. And this here is a light. You hit this twice. See the light goes on, hit it twice again. And you hit it twice again. And then shut it off, you hit it twice. I quickly want to mention this jump starter has 4,000 peak cranking amps, 28,000 mAh battery capacity, and they claim it starts up to 10-liter gas engines and 10-liter diesel 12-volt engines. They also claim you can get 70 jump starts on a single charge, and it has a 65-watt speed charger. And you got 4 ports over here, which we're going to use these. So you got a nice little bag also with this jump starter to put in. Okay, this is for the charger. And it's a 65-watt charger. So all you do is take this, plug that in your wall outlet, and you go on the in. So go, I think, like that. Yeah, right there. That's how you charge it. It also has a 65-watt output, so you can fast charge something. We're going to be using this also. It's a 12-volt. So we're going to put a tire inflator that I have out in the garage. I'm going to put that in. We're going to pump up my tire. And this goes right into here. So after pumping up the tire, then we're going to try jump starting it without a battery in there 3 times. See how that does. Jump cables here, they go right in here. And there's only one way these go in, so you can see. Flat top here, so it just goes right in there. And that's it. Turn it on, hook up the cables. It's got 89%. Let's pump up a tire, and then we'll jump start my truck, see how this works. So I'll be right back. Okay, we got 4.5 pressure in here. This is 4.5 pounds of pressure in there. This is a tire inflator. We'll plug that into here. Turn this on. Turn that off. And we'll pump it up to 32 pounds. Okay, so it pumped it up, and we got 66% left. Okay, let's try to jump start this truck 3 times without no battery in it. Okay, so as you can see, my vehicle isn't hooked up to any battery. There's the red, positive, negative. Let's try this jump starter out and see how it does with no battery in it. Okay, red to red, black to black. It's making a clicking noise. We'll turn it on. 65% power. Okay, it's only going to do one start. Maybe that's a safety feature built in. See, it stopped clicking. Probably because there's no battery in here. Try unplugging this. Yep, there it goes. So let's shut this off. Got 63%. It only allows me to start it up once, so I'll unhook it again. %. Okay, so there you go, 3 times. You must have a safety feature built in because, one, I don't have a battery hooked up to this, and it just keeps shutting off. Yeah, it did a pretty good job, you know, pumping up a tire, starting this up 3 times, no problem. I give this a thumbs up. So let's go in the house and wrap this video up. Okay, so I charged up this jump starter, and it took like 1 hour and 39 minutes. The reason I think it took so long is because the charger that they give you is only 20 watts. So I think if you bought the 65 watt charger, it would charge it a lot faster. But if you're using this for only jump starting, you only need to charge these up like once every 3 to 6 months, so it doesn't really matter. And if you're going to use it for, you know, charging other things like cell phones or whatever, you might want to invest in the 65 watt charger. So if you're interested in buying this jump starter, which I think is pretty nice, it's got a nice face here, you know, big letters, tells you exactly how much power there is there. I mean, some of these only come in like, they just have little dots that light up, and that's what you go by, but this gives you numbers. 4,000 amps, it's a lot of power. And it's made nice and rugged. Yeah, so if you're interested, I'm going to have a link down below to where you can get one of these. So as far as the contest goes, well, this one here, I got to thank the guys that sent me this jump starter because they sent me 2. This one was for testing, and the one that I'll be giving away is right here, brand new in a box. It's rules. Okay, so the rules for the contest are: you pick a number from 1 to 999 and post it in the comment section. The closest number without going over will win this jump starter. I'll use an online stopwatch generator to pick the number for the contest. The contest ends tomorrow, Sunday, April 2nd at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So no submissions after that will be valid. Also, any screen names less than 2 days old will be invalid. I'll announce the winner on the following day, Monday, April 3rd. So I want to wish everyone good luck, and I think whoever wins this jump starter will be very pleased. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.